Welcome back. Now in this module we're going to go over creating your main menu and maybe some of your main pages. Now we did a little bit of stuff on the menu at the end of the last module, but I thought I'd go through it step by step so that you can clearly see how to set up your menu. So something to bear in mind that with this theme we've chosen, this Mesmerize theme, is that it's a one-page website. Like, it's got all the different sort of sections and it's got many sort of things already covered on the home page. So we don't need to create too many separate pages. I'm not even sure if we need a contact page. But we'll come back to that in a second. We'll decide on that in a minute. What we're going to do is we're going to go back to the menu section. So we go to the back end, go to Appearance, Menus. So at the end of the last menu, at the end of the last module, I was showing you the main menu. So we're going to click here, Menu 1. And now we've got this main menu. So it's got some sample page. We're going to remove that. Front page, I'm guessing that's the home page. Let me just double check that. Okay, so front page is actually the home page. So we're going to relabel this to home page, or we'll call it home. This one is not linked to the home page. If I click this, it takes us to a separate page. So that's not the one we want for home page. So I'm going to remove that. We're going to keep this one. Privacy policy, we don't really need that in the main menu. This is just a page I set up for a module earlier. So at the moment we've just got home and blog. Now if you want, I guess you could make an About Us page if you're not going to put it on this menu. On the home page. So if you're going to do that, you're going to create the page first. So let's go over to Pages, Add New, and I'm going to open in a new tab. And for this example, I'm just going to create a blank page called About Us. Now we're going to come back to the menu. I'm going to click Save, and this is going to save what I've done here, but it's also going to refresh and show us any pages that we've created. So here you can now see that About Us here. I'm going to add to menu, put that as the second page. Now to make sure that this menu becomes your main menu, you need to click the primary menu button here. So that's already on, and that will set that as the home page. Now as for other pages, I guess it's up to you. We're going to already cover a few things on this home page, like testimonials and perhaps putting our team of DJs and even some snippets of the blog. So all that stuff's going to be on the home page already. Just click refresh so we can see the new menu update. Yep. So yeah, I guess once again this is another case where it's up to you what you're doing, what pages you want. For example, you might want to add a gallery page. So if you wanted to do that, let's just show you an example. Yeah, of course you would go Pages, Add New, and create a page called Gallery. Now to actually put the gallery, let's give it a go. We'll click Add New. We're going to call this Gallery. And what I want to show you quickly is how we might add a gallery. Now, I believe this page this theme has an editor. I can't see where the editor is for individual page. Now, what I was going to say quickly is that if you wanted a gallery, you can come to plugins, and this is where you can go and find a plugin that suits what you want specifically. So come to plugins, click add new, and then type in photo gallery, and you're going to find tons of free galleries that you can, try out. Normally I'll click more details and see if I can see a screenshot and some more information. I mean, this looks nice. Description, gallery on your website, blah blah blah. As long as it's mobile friendly, it looks relatively up to date, so I think that'll be fine. It's got a warning here, you can ignore that. So yeah, this looks like it might be a good gallery if we're going to put a gallery on the website. So anyway, every time you create a page, it's going to show up as a new page here on your menu, or otherwise you'll be able to search through all of your pages and just add any of the pages that you want. Click save, and voila, it's going to show up on your menu up here. Alright, thank you. In the next module, we're going to start sort of working on this page a little bit more, and I'll see you in the next module.